So yeah, in the movie you can see how the control can be achieved in one dimension by switching on and off. Okay, I think we will try to find a way to solve this stupid problem. How can I do it? So maybe share screen. I will try to figure out next week how to show those movies. Apparently, I can't show them. Yeah, there it is. So I see you guys then back next week. I think next week there is still class, right? Or is it not? Is it class next week? Do you know? Someone can tell me? Do we have class next week? Okay, then we see each other back, same time, same place, cyberspace, same time, same place next week. Okay, take care, stay healthy, and yeah, see you back next week.